Reading aloud improves memory and speaking confidence. Reading aloud is a great way to practice speaking English. It is a powerful technique that helps you improve. When you read aloud, you use your voice to say the words. This helps you learn how the words sound. When you read aloud, it also helps you improve your pronunciation. You can hear how each word is spoken and correct yourself if needed. Speaking clearly is important when learning a new language. Repeating the same sentence or word many times helps you remember it better. If you say it only once, you might forget it quickly. But when you say it many times, your brain remembers it. Practice makes you perfect. If you read aloud and repeat words every day, you will get better. It will help you build confidence to speak English with others. Reading aloud helps you understand the rhythm of the language. In English, some words are spoken faster, and some are slower. Reading aloud helps you notice this. When you repeat the same sentences aloud, it helps you improve your fluency. Fluency means speaking without stopping or hesitating. The more you repeat, the more natural your speech becomes. You can choose simple stories or short paragraphs to read aloud. Start with easy texts and then move to more difficult ones. It is important to practice reading what you understand. Reading aloud and repeating can also improve your listening skills. As you hear yourself, you get used to the sounds and patterns of English. It helps you listen to others better too. Another good way to practice is by reading along with a recording. Listen to the speaker and try to say the words in the same way. This helps you match the tone and pronunciation. Repeating sentences from memory also helps. After you read a sentence aloud a few times, try to say it without looking. This helps you remember words and sentences better. When you read aloud and repeat, you are also improving your vocabulary. You will come across new words, and by saying them aloud, you will remember them. Reading aloud helps you feel the emotion in a sentence. Some sentences are happy, sad, or exciting. When you say them aloud, you can practice expressing these feelings with your voice. Repeating phrases also helps you with grammar. As you say sentences again and again, you will start to notice the grammar rules. You will learn how to build sentences correctly. Practicing aloud can be fun. You can make it a game by reading with a friend. One person reads a sentence, and the other repeats it. This will help both of you improve. In the end, reading aloud and repeating is a simple but powerful way to learn English. It helps you with pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. By doing this every day, you will become a better speaker over time.